Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Okay, now take this snapshot and I'll tell you what you have to do today. Take this. This is the first snapshot, and this one is second snapshot, and this one is last snapshot. So and now pause this video. Okay, just pause this video and write it in the script of English writing. And what is this? As you know, what is this? Name of this, right? Name of this, name of this, name of this. Okay, now after you know after your completion of your writing, then uh, play this video again, and now I am going to read it aloud. Okay, and match this whether you wrote wrong or right. Okay, now I'm going to read it. This one is alif, alif, re, re, dal, dal, wow, wow. Okay, you can say wow or wow, both are same. Hey, the actual name of this, choti hai or choti hai. And this one is hey, this one is hey, and this hey. uh, for this hey, you have to produce the sound from your throat. Okay, so this one ain, ain also produce from the sound from your throat. Ain, and this swad, swad, and this seen, or you can also say choti seen, choti seen, lam, 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 calf, calf, gaaf, gaaf, bay, bay. This is jeem, jeem. Okay, this is ghain, and you have to produce the sound of the ghain from your throat. Ghain, not gain. This was gaaf, and this one ghain, gaaf, and you can't say gain, ghain. If you say gain, this is wrong. You have to say like this, ghain, ghain. Okay, this one is khay. You can't say k, k and khay having that difference. Okay, this different sound. Khay, khay. This one is noon, noon. This letter is noon. Zoe, zoe. Fe, fe. Sounds like f. Fe. This is dal, dal. And if you really want to make the sound of dal, you have to the you have to tongue bring to the upper 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 fourth teeth. Okay, and say like this, dal, dal. Tip of your tongue, and tip of your tongue touch the upper fourth teeth. Dal, dal. So after the dal, this one is dal, dal, like D. Okay, re, ra, re, re. This is te, te. This is te, te. And this one again, you have to produce the sound from your throat, like cough, cough. And it is also called badi qaf. You can't say calf. Calf and qaf having different sounds. Okay, badi qaf. Okay, this one is ye, but it is also said badi ye, badi ye. It means bigger ye. Okay, say, say, say. Okay, sheen, or it is also called badi sheen, sheen. And this one is pay, pay. This one is che, che. And I want to tell you something which is not in this book. Like in this book, the Hamza is not given. Hamza looks like this. Hamza. Okay. Hamza look like this. And दो चश्मी है, दो चश्मी है look like this is दो चश्मी है. And is there anything left? Okay, this is all. Only two letters I think not given in this book, starting or in the page of alphabet. Okay, alphabet. Now, so guys, I hope you learn something and you will practice more if you want to really learn Urdu, how to speak and how to read and how to write. So this is all about today's. Now I'm going to say goodbye, thank you, and welcome for the new comer and for the new subscriber. Okay, goodbye, good day to you.